Jarvis, what time is it now?
It's 3:08 a.m.
Jarvis, search for Morocco.
Morocco, officially the Kingdom of Morocco, is the northwesternmost country in the Maghreb region of North Africa.
Jarvis, search for artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is intelligence demonstrated by machines, as opposed to the natural intelligence displayed by animals including humans.
Jarvis, play Burning Desire.
Playing Burning Desire.
Jarvis, close Chrome. Jarvis, search for football.
Football is a family of team sports that involve, to varying degrees, kicking a ball to score a goal.
Jarvis, stop.
Okay, sir, see you soon.